Number 69. Identify the type of crystalline solid, whether it's going to be metallic or a network covalent or ionic or molecular crystalline solid that's formed by each of the following substances. And then we have NH4NO3, which is ammonium nitrate. So I wrote down the 4 crystalline solids down here, and just like a little cheat sheet to help you guys figure out which one is which. So we're going to use this to figure out what ammonium nitrate is. I guess we'll start from left to right. Is it a metallic crystalline solid? Well, the word metal is in the word metallic. So in order to be a metallic crystalline solid, when it solidifies, you have to just see a single metal. But if I look at all the elements here, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen, right? Here's another nitrogen, but they're all nonmetals. These are not metals. I have no metals in my crystalline solid, so therefore it can't possibly be metallic. So I move on to the next one. Is it an ionic crystalline solid? Well, remember, an ionic compound comes from a distribution of charges, and that can either be formed in 2 ways, whether you have a metal plus a nonmetal, or if you start seeing polyatomic ions, because polyatomic ions have the charges that will give you that charge distribution, plus and minus, and that's what makes an ionic compound. Transfer of electrons. So, just like we said before, I don't see any metals here, so it can't possibly be the metal and the nonmetal. However, I say to myself, wait a minute. NH4 looks very familiar, right? And NH4 comes from NH4 positive, which is the ammonium ion. And then I say to myself, well, wait a minute, NO3 looks really familiar as well. This is nitrate. NO3 minus 1, that's nitrate. And if you want to say it's the nitrate ion, it's whatever, but the name of it is nitrate. The name of NH4 plus is ammonium. And what are these? NO3 minus, NH4 plus. You're never going to see these on the periodic table as a group because polyatomic ions are not on the periodic table. You have to memorize them. So these guys are polyatomic ions. And once you spot out polyatomic ions, you are in this category. We do have polyatomics, so therefore, this would be a ionic crystalline solid. So this one was a little bit of a trick. Tricky, sneaky. Because you might say, well, wait a minute, I just have all nonmetals here, right? And let me just box this in, but then I'll say, if I had all nonmetals are molecular. But whoa, it has to be in the format of what it's given. Since these nonmetals are arranged in such a way that it's producing polyatomic ions, it's ionic and not molecular. And I hope that makes sense. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for viewing the video, and I hope you're having a great day out there. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Thank you. And let's just keep working hard. Always keep learning. And I'll talk to you soon in later lessons. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.